So in the previous class, we have gone through the concept of frequency response analysis, and in that particular we have gone for the plotting of Bode plot. Okay, so for the Bode plot, we have taken this standard form. Uh, 1 minute. For the Bode plot, we have taken this standard form, that is nothing but Gs into Hs is equal to K s raised to Z 1 plus Ts, that is nothing but the zeros, s raised to P. Okay, and this. Okay, so that this is nothing but your standard form in which you are going to plot the Bode plot. So these are the factors which are affecting the Bode plot. Okay, so first one is the K factor, second one is your poles at origin, third one is your poles zeros at origin, another one is simple pole, and another one is your simple zero. So we have taken each and every case, and we will see what is the effect of this particular factor on the Bode plot and how we can do plot it. So first we have taken this K factor. Okay, so this K factor is having this much impact. So we will go for the first magnitude part. First we will go for the magnitude part, this one, and we have found out the equation m is equal to 20 log k. Okay, so whatever the k value is there, we will be having the magnitude. Okay, so we have taken different value of k. Okay, so we have taken different value of k and we have plotted this. So what we have concluded, if the value of k is lesser than 1, we will be getting minus magnitude, and if the value is k is which is greater than 1, then we are getting the positive values. Similarly, for the phase angle is equal to phi is equal to tan inverse imaginary upon real. So we have got 0 degree. So for k, the contribution made by the k factor as far as the phase angle concerned, it is nothing but the 0 degree. But for the magnitude, it is 20 log 10. Okay, now second factor we have taken pole at origin. So for that we have taken pole at origin is equal to 1, and we have analyzed it and we have found out the equation for magnitude plot. So for magnitude plot, you will be getting minus 20 log omega, log 10 omega. If there will be a multiple pole at origin, it is going to be multiplied. So one equation will be minus 20 log omega dB magnitude, and if it is there multiple pole s square hoy, it is going to minus 40 log omega dB. Similarly, for the phase angle plot, we will be having a minus 90 degree. Okay, and if there is a multiple pole, that means p, whatever the number of p, we will be having this. Factor number 3, it is about zeros. For finding out the zeros, again we have taken this equation. So magnitude, we are having m is equal to 20 log omega. Previously it was a minus. For zeros it will be plus. Again it will be z into 20 log omega, and for the phase angle plot we will be having 90 degree, that is plus. Previously it was a minus 90 degree. Now we will be having a z into 90 degree, that is nothing but a, okay. So we have completed this three factor, k factor, pole at origin, and zero origin. Okay, now the fourth factor, it is nothing but the simple pole and simple zero. Simple pole, I am talking about this form is nothing but your simple pole, and this form is nothing but your simple zero. Sorry, it is simple pole over here, and it is nothing but your simple zeros. Simple, it is okay, and a simple pole and a simple zeros. Okay, so we will analyze this. Okay, now before going for this, we will be plotting some of the thing as far as the poles concerned. Okay, so I am writing it over here. Okay, so we'll be having two equation. Second factor, second factor, factor number 2, that is pole at origin. So we have got the equation m is equal to minus 20 log omega in terms of a, okay, minus 20 log omega in terms of a dB. Now I'm not putting right now p, but only minus 20 log omega. So I'm varying the value of omega, and I will note down the value of m. Okay, let us say put the value of omega is equal to 1, okay, 10, 100 and 0.1. You have to put the value of omega in this equation. Can you tell me the magnitude value? Put the value in calci. Minus 20 log 1. What is the answer?
0.
0. 10. Minus 20 log 10.
Minus 20.
Minus 20. 100.
Minus 14.
Point
Minus
1.
20. 20.
કેટલા?
20.
Plus 20. Okay. So if I want to plot the graph of magnitude for the different of frequency, so it will be like this. You will be having a 0.1 over here. Okay, you will be having a 1, you will be having a, let us say, 10, 100 like this. Okay, and the base frequency is nothing but over here is, let us say, it is 20 dB, it is 0 dB, it is minus 20 dB and minus 40 dB. Okay, so at 0.1 what you are getting 20 dB. અહીંયા point ક્યાં આવશે? At 1 it will be 0 dB. It will be minus 20 and it will be, if I'm taking it, what will be the slope of this graph? It is for this particular part I am saying as a decade. આટલો જે part છે એને હું decade કહીશ. Okay, in one decade the value of this is going to vary by multiplied by 10. એક decade માં value કેટલી multiply થાય છે? 0.1 into 10. So answer is 1. આ decade માં 1 into 10 it is 10. આ decade માં 10 into 100 10 it is nothing but your 100. In the normal graph, જે normal graph છે એમાં અહીંયા શું લખતા હતા તમે? 0 1 2 like this. But in Bode plot you are using semi-log graph paper. એટલે અહીંયા શું આવશે તમારું? અહીંયા શું આવશે? ઓમેગા આવશે. ઓમેગા we are varying from 0 to infinity. ઓકે, એટલે અહીંયાથી એવું બદલવું પડશે કે દરેક રીતની વાઇડ રેન્જ આવે. 0 0.1 100 10 100 next will be, અહીંયા point મૂકવો હોય તો next will be 1000, next will be
10,000.
and onwards on. We have to multiply. Okay, so this part is nothing but the decade. એટલે આટલો જે part છે this is nothing but your decade. કેવી રીતે આવશે હું સમજાઈશ. Okay, so for one decade what is the change in slope? For one decade આટલાથી આટલામાં કેટલો slope change થયો? Can I say it is minus 20 dB? 20 હતો એનો 0 થઈ ગયો, so it is minus 20. 0 થી ક્યાં થયો? minus 20, so it is minus 20. So the slope of this is nothing but minus 20 dB per decade. So what I can conclude is, for pole at origin the slope of the magnitude graph is nothing but minus 20 dB per decade. Slope of pole at origin will be equal to minus 20 dB per decade. I am talking about pole is equal to 1. આ equation માટે લીધું હતું મેં. minus 20 log omega answer. Okay, આ answer માટે લીધું minus 20 log omega. This one. Now if there will be a multiple pole, એટલે suppose બે pole હોય તો answer શું આવશે? minus 40 log omega. Okay, અહીંયા answer શું બનશે? minus 20 into p dB per decade. The contribution made by pole at origin will be minus 20 into P dB per decade. P is equal to 1, so answer is 20 dB minus 20 dB per decade. If P is equal to 2, it will be minus 40 dB per decade. Similarly, I am taking the factor number 3. What is factor number 3? 0 at origin. Factor number 3 is 0 at origin. What is the equation? M is equal to, what is the equation? Z, sorry, 20 log omega. It will be 20 log 10 omega. Right now I am taking Z is equal to 1. Okay, so again I will plot this value. Omega is equal to, let us say, 0.1, 100, sorry, 10, 100, and I will give the value. What will be the value of M now? Put the value over here. So it will be
minus 20.
minus 20. It will be 0 dB. It will be plus 20 dB.
20.
It will be 40 dB.
40.
Again I will plot this. Okay, so over here 0, that is nothing but 0.1, 1, 10, 100. Okay, I'm starting with 0.1, so it will be minus 20 dB. It will be 0, 20, and 40 dB. So for 0.1, it is, for 0.1 it is minus 20. So this will be over here. 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 Okay, so you will be getting this graph. For 1 decade, what is the slope? For 1 decade, what is the slope? અહીંયાથી અહીંયા કેટલો ચેન્જ થયો?
20 dB.
20 dB.
20.
Okay, so for 0 at origin, we will be having a slope of 20 dB per decade. In general, 20 into Z dB per decade. જો 2 હોય તો 40 dB per decade થશે, અને 1 હોય it will be. Okay, so this is the contribution made by this factor. Done. So you have completed this much factor: first factor, second factor, third factor, fourth and fifth factor. Okay, so for fourth and fifth factor, are you able to see this handwritten material?
Yes, sir.
So it is over here, it is written factor number 3, but you can consider as a factor number 4 and 5. Okay, simple pole or zeros. Okay, simple pole or 0. So it will be your factor number 4 and 5. Factor number 4 and 5, simple poles or 0 and 0, it will be n. So first we will take simple pole. So factor number 4 we are taking. So for, if I am taking factor number 4, GS into HS is equal to 1 plus TS. Okay, it will be in denominator 1 upon 1 plus T1S. Right now it is a different in different book it is written. So we have taken pole as a TA. અહીંયાથી છે ને TA લીધો તો, so you can consider now as a TA is equal to T. Okay, 1 plus T A, અહીંયા TA છે. So it is in denominator. If I want to go in a numerator part, it will be 1 plus TA raised to minus 1. Putting the value of g of j omega into h of j omega, it will be 1 plus t of j omega. Okay, just replace s by j omega. Okay, so now finding out the magnitude part. So magnitude will be, અહીંયા તો 1 જ થશે, because there is a no real part and real part is equal to 1, no imaginary part. So you'll be having under root 1 plus omega t whole square. Okay, omega t whole square. So you'll be having denominator ne upar lai jao, so it will be under root 1 plus omega t inverse. Now I want to find out m, that is nothing but the magnitude. Magnitude is equal to 20 log under root 1 plus omega t square inverse. इनवर्स ने આગળ લઈ જઈએ, so it will be minus 20 log under root 1 plus omega square t square. Okay, so now it is different. Previously we were having only omega term. અહીંયા શું થશે, omega બી આવ્યું અને t આવ્યું. What is t and omega? What is the relation between your t and omega, time and your frequency? Okay, it is inversely proportional to each other. Okay, now we'll be having a two frequency region. First frequency is lower frequency region. Lower frequency, that means it is starting from 0 to, let us say, 100 or let us say 1000. Okay, and another is a higher frequency. Higher frequency in terms of a kilohertz. Okay, so we will divide this particular part in a two manner. First one is for lower frequency, that means the omega value is lower than your 1 upon omega t. What does that mean? Omega square t square is again lower, means they are too much lower than your 1. Okay, if they are too much lower than 1, that means it is nearly equal to 0. If they are nearly equal to 0, we will put it over here, minus 20 log under root 1 plus 0. Okay, so minus 20 log 1, so it is, the answer is nothing but your 0 dB. So what does that mean? The contribution made by small frequency is neglected because the value is nothing but your 0. Now I will be going for the second part. Second part is what? Region for the higher frequency. If your higher frequency, that means your omega is greater than 1 upon t. What does that mean? Omega square upon t square is way much higher than your 1. In that case, what will happen? We will be putting this value over here. Okay, that means 1 plus some big value. Okay, so Emma, big value plus 1 is nothing but that big value only. So this equation will become minus 20 log under root omega square t square. Omega square t square under root child, it will be omega t only, omega into t. Okay, so you will be having two terms now, omega as well as t. Okay, so for finding out omega low and high, what we have to do? We need to find out the relation between your omega and t. So as we all know that omega is equal to 1 upon t. So now what we have to do? We have to put the value of omega is equal to 1 upon t in this equation. So if I am putting it over here, we will be having answer like this. Okay, if I am putting omega is equal to 1 upon t, we will be having minus 3 dB. We have put the value in over here. Okay, so what does that mean? If I am putting this value 1 upon t, then we will be having minus 3 dB approximation or the correction. If I am putting omega is equal to 2 upon t, okay, it will be having minus 7 dB. Okay, again we will put the value and we will get this. So if I am going for the higher frequency range, so previously we have taken 1 upon t, then we have taken 2 upon t, and so on. We will be having a difference. Okay, mine previously minus 3, minus 7, and then minus 1 and all this. Okay, we have taken 1 upon 2t, એટલે એક આના કરતા વધારે લીધો, ઓછો લીધો, and we will be having this kind of application. Okay, so again for this particular analysis, we will be having a slope of pole છે એટલે minus 20 dB તો થશે, but there will be a correction of minus 3 dB, minus 6 dB and minus 1 dB. But for which region? For higher frequency region. For lower frequency region, there is a no contribution, so we are neglecting it. Okay, we are not drawing the Bode plot for frequency higher than 10k. So this analysis we have done, but we are not plotting it. Okay, આ ફક્ત તમારા જાણ માટે છે કે આવું થઈ શકે. But what we are doing, we are plotting the Bode plot from 0.1 to 100 only, or let us say 1000 only. એના માટે higher frequency નથી. This is falling under the lower frequency. Okay, so the contribution made by simple pole is nothing but minus 20 dB per decade only. Pole છે એટલે minus 20 dB per decade તો થશે જ. Okay, because our equation is this only, minus 20 dB per decade, minus 20 dB per decade. Okay, then comes fifth factor as simple zero, that is nothing but your fifth factor. So gs into hs is equal to 1 plus t1 into s. Okay, you can consider t1 over here. In your book it was written t1 as, okay, right now for the generalized purpose we have taken 1 plus ts. Okay, replace s by j omega, so it will be 1 plus j omega into t. Okay, if I'm taking the magnitude, the magnitude is equal to under root 1 plus omega square. So we have got the dB value, that is nothing but the magnitude value. So in terms of a dB, 20 log and 1 plus an omega square t square. So again, whatever the analysis we have done for the poles, okay, in the poles we are having sign of minus, over here having a plus. So again we will be taking two frequencies. First one is your higher frequency, that is lower frequency, and second one is your higher frequency. The same analysis will be applicable for the zeros also, but there is a sign change. અહીંયા શું હતું માઇનસ હતું, તો ત્યાં શું આવશે, અહીંયા પ્લસ આવશે. Okay, so what we can conclude over here, for simple zero, what will be the contribution? It will be 20 dB per decade. 20 dB per decade. Okay, for simple pole it was minus 20 dB per decade. For simple zero it is 20 dB per. Done. Next, how many factors we have completed? Fifth. Now it might happen that you will be having factor number 6 also, that is quadratic factor. It might happen that you will be not getting roots which are in terms of a 1 plus ts format. It might happen that you will be having gs into hs in this format. It is nothing but 1 upon s square plus 2 zeta omega ns plus omega n square. It is nothing but the pole. Okay, 6 will be pole, 7 will be your zeros. So gs into hs is equal to this. I will divide this equation by omega n square. So it will be 1 plus 2 zeta omega ns, 1 omega n cancel out, divided by omega n s square plus omega n square. Okay, so in the numerator part you will be having omega n square. It is not written over here, but it is understood. Now omega, now we are having 2 omega. What is first omega? What is omega is nothing but your variable part, that is the frequency, and omega n is nothing but the constant. Okay, it is nothing but the natural frequency of oscillation. Okay, so we will be taking this 1 plus 2 zeta j omega by omega n minus omega by omega n square. Okay, what we have done, just અહીંયા જે value જે છે j square is equal to -1 value put કરી એટલે અહીંયા -1 done. Now we will be finding out this magnitude part, so under root this, and we will be adding some middle part. Okay, because we want to find out. So dB value will be 20 log under root 1 minus theta square. Okay, so if I am taking in inverse, okay, so આ જે છે ઉપર આવી જશે. So I will be writing in this manner, under root 1 minus omega upon omega n whole square whole square plus 4 zeta inverse, because we are taking this denominator into numerator part. Okay, આ minus છે અહીંયા લઈ ગયા, so it will be minus 20 log. અહીંયા જે answer આવ્યો તો એ. Again there will be a lower frequency and a higher frequency. For the lower frequency it is again 0 dB, and for higher frequency now there are two terms. Okay, if we are making it means expanding it, it will be minus 20 log omega by omega n, and it will be like this. Okay, so for quadratic factor we will be having a minus 40 dB log omega and log omega n. Okay, and the same analysis you can carry out for the quadratic factor. For it was for poles, you can do it for your zeros also. You can do it for zero. You can do it for zeros also. Okay, but what you have to remember, the contribution made by quadratic factor is nothing but minus 40 dB per decade. Minus 40 dB per decade. जो आवे तो. Okay, as far as our syllabus is concerned, we are most not bothering about this quadratic factor. Okay, and जो zeros हसे, so it will be 40 dB per decade. Okay, so how many factors are there? Total 7 factors. First factor, बोलो.
K.
K. Second is
Pole at origin.
pole at origin. Third,
Zero at origin.
fourth,
Simple pole.
okay. Fifth,
Simple zero.
simple zero. Sixth, quadratic factor
Quadratic.
poles. Seventh, quadratic factor
Quadratic.
zeros.
For
Okay.
zeros.
What is the contribution made by K? Contribution made by K. Magnitude માં શું છે? Equation. Write it down. Contribution made by K. K factor માટે શું છે? 20 log K.
20 log
K. Contribution made by K. Phi શું છે? 0 degree. Okay. Contribution made
Yes,
by
sir.
K. Magnitude is 20 log K. Phase angle, it is nothing but 0 degree. Done. Second factor, pole at origin. Magnitude માં કેટલો એનો આન્સર છે? -20 log omega. -20
minus
into
20 log.
P. Okay. Phi -90 into P. For zeros at origin, Z into 20 log omega. For phi, it is Z into 90 degree. Okay. This is for your simple pole and simple pole at origin and simple. Next we have simple pole. Simple pole no answer શું છે? -20 dB per decade. Simple zero, 20 dB per decade. Done. Quadratic, -40 log omega plus 40 log omega n. Okay, same will be for your zeros. Done. Now we will be going for example. Okay, so we will take first example. Just you need to remember one by one જે આવશે એ તમારે અહીંયાથી કરવાનું છે. You will be taking first example. So you will be having GS into HS, GS into HS is equal to GS into HS is equal to 20 upon S plus 0.1 into S. Okay, so how many factors are there? કેટલા factors છે? First we have to check whether it is in a standard form or not. Standard form શું કહે છે? K into poles divided by 0 S raised to P. છે S raised to P? Yes. 1 plus TA into S. છે એવું 1 plus TA into S? અહીંયા છે ને? TA 1
Yes,
plus
sir.
છે. So it is, if it is not there, you have to convert it. How many factors are there? First factor is K factor. What is the value of K?
20.
Second factor is pole at origin. છે S raised to P છે ને અહીંયા? How many pole at origin? One pole at origin. P is equal to 1. Third factor is what?
Zero at origin.
ક્યાં 0 at origin અહીંયા છે? 0 છે આમાં. સિમ્પલ પોલ 1 plus 0.1 into s. Okay, આ થયું તમારું 1 upon s and this is. There are only 3 factors. I will go one by one. Factor number 1, k is equal to 20. What will be the magnitude equation for factor? M is equal to 20 log k. 20 log k. What is k? 20. What is answer?
26.02.
Done. This is factor number 1. Factor number 1, I am right now I am focusing on the magnitude part only. Factor number 2. What is factor number 2? 1 upon s, pole at origin. Okay, so what we have conclude? Slope કેટલો થશે? For pole at origin, what is the slope? What we have conclude? અહીંયા analysis કર્યું.
-20.
हाँ. What is this? -20 into p. p ની value કેટલી છે? 1. So it will be, slope will be equal to -20 dB per decade. Okay, and what is the value of omega? It is nothing but 1. Okay, because it is nothing but. Now the third factor. What is the third factor? Factor number 3. What is factor number 3? Simple pole. What is simple pole? Simple pole is nothing but 1 plus 0.1 into s. Okay, 1 upon 1 plus 0.1 into s. Okay, so I will compare this 1 plus 0.1 into s with our 1 plus ta into s. What is the value of ta? ta or t જે તમે જનરલી લખતા હોય, જનરલી આવે આ છોડી દેજો, એને t લખીએ અથવા તો t લખીએ. So it will be 0.1. So now what will be the omega? Omega is equal to 1 upon t. So it will be equal to this. So omega is equal to what? 10 radian per second. Okay, what we have conclude? Simple pole માટેનો slope કેટલો હોય? It is -20 dB per decade. Okay, so if I want to draw a Bode plot, first part is your magnitude part. Okay, as I already told you, Bode plot will consist of this kind of a graph. X axis ઉપર શું આવશે? Frequency omega. We are varying the frequency from 0 to, let us say, highest value. Another one is nothing but your magnitude. એક અહીંયા magnitude આવશે અને એક અહીંયા શું આવશે? phase angle આવશે. Right now I have taken magnitude, એટલે અહીંયા હું magnitude plot કરીશ અને પછી phase angle plot કરીશ. Okay, so the contribution made by each and every factor. How many factors are there? There is factor number 1, factor number 2, factor number 3. આ ત્રણે factor છે, એનો હું summation કરીશ અને draw કરીશ. Okay, this part is for your magnitude part. Next I will go for the phase angle part. Okay, so for phase angle we have to make a table. Okay, so for phase angle you will be having a different range of frequency omega. First part is how many factor? Factor number 1 k, factor number 2 pole at origin, nothing but 1 upon s. Factor number 3 simple pole. Okay, it will be 1 upon 1 plus 0.1 into s. Okay, so this will be your answer. Okay, now what is the contribution in phase angle by k? એનું આપણે એનાલિસિસ કર્યું ત્યારે phi ની વેલ્યુ કેટલી આવતી હતી?
0.
0. It will be always 0 irrespective of whatever the value of k. K ની વેલ્યુ ગમે હોય એની વેલ્યુ 0 જ આવશે. Okay, so I'll be having this kind of a term. It will be always be 0. એટલે હું ઓમેગા ની વેલ્યુ ગમે એટલી બદલીશ આ 0 ડિગ્રી જ આવશે. એટલે અહીંયા 0 ડિગ્રી જ આવશે બધા. ફેક્ટર નંબર 2, pole at origin. Pole at origin. What is the contribution made by pole at origin? Phi is equal to P into minus 90 degree. How many pole at origin are there? આપણા ઇક્વેશન માં pole at origin કેટલા છે?
1.
1. So it will be, અહીંયા આન્સર શું છે?
-90.
Minus 90. So it will always be 90 irrespective of the value of omega. Omega જે ગમે એટલો આવે એની વેલ્યુ -90 જ આવશે. Factor number 3. What is factor number 3? Simple pole. Okay, simple pole. Okay, have we taken this? Factor number 3, simple pole. Okay, for pole, what we have to do? Again, maybe this analysis is remaining. Okay, so we will be taking this. Okay, simple pole. So for finding out the simple pole, your answer will be phi is equal to tan inverse imaginary upon real. What is our answer? 1 upon 1 plus 0.1 into, okay, so what is your answer? If I'm putting j over here, 0.1 into j omega, our, if I'm putting phi is equal to tan inverse, so it will be આનો આન્સર તો 0 જ આવશે. ન્યુમેરેટર સાઈડ
So tan inverse 1 means tan inverse infinity થશે ને
શેમાં?
ફર્સ્ટ ઉપર વાળામાં.
હા, ઉપરનો આન્સર શું થશે?
0.
0 ડિગ્રી.
Yes sir, 0.
ઓકે, અહીંયાથી 0 થશે. ડિવાઇડેડ બાય tan ઇન્વર્સ. tan ઇન્વર્સ ઇમેજનરી શું છે?
0.1.
0.1 into omega
Omega
divided
divided
by,
by
sorry, real, that is nothing but this. So tan inverse 0.1 into omega. Okay, એટલે આને ઉપર લઈ જવું એટલે શું થશે? minus tan inverse 0.1 into omega. Are you getting me?
સર
હા,
ઉપર 0 નહીં આવશે ને tan inverse 1/0 it means infinity.
tan inverse
0 by 1 आएगा ना,
0 by
imaginary
1
0.
imaginary divided by real.
હા ઓકે ઓકે સર.
0 by 1, that means 0 degree. Okay, so the contribution made by simple pole is equal to minus tan inverse 0.1 into omega. Okay, so I'll be writing over here minus tan inverse 0.1 into omega. Now I will make this table. Okay, what will be the value of 0.1? I am varying the frequency. 0.1, then 0.2, 0.5, 1, 2, 10, 50, 100. Okay, if the frequency is omega is equal to 0.1, what is the contribution made by k for phase angle? કેટલા ડિગ્રી થશે? It will always be 0 degree. તો બધું 0 degree અહીંયા લખી નાખવાનું. Why it is 0? We have derived. contribution made by pole at origin, it will always be minus 90 degree. So minus 90 degree, minus 90 degree, minus 90 degree, minus 90 degree. Now you have to calculate minus tan inverse 0.1 into omega. Okay, put the value of omega and find out the answer. Minus tan inverse 0.1 into omega. Tell me the answers.
minus 0.57.
Next,
Sir,
point,
minus
0.2,
minus
minus
1.14.
1.4.
point.
14.
Okay, next 0.5,
Minus 2.86.
Minus
next 1. આ બધા કરી નાખો.
Minus 5.7. 1.
2
Minus 5.71.
for 2.
Minus 11.13. 30.
For 10.
Minus 45.
0.
Minus 45. ના આવે. Recheck.
0 આવશે ને?
minus 57.1
હા,
minus 57.1
recheck. Minus tan inverse 0.1 into 10 એટલે minus tan inverse 1.
Minus 45. Minus 45.
Sir, minus 45 જ આવે.
50.
Minus 78.69.
100.
Minus 84.28.
Okay, 0.1, 0.2, 0.5, 1, 2, 10, 50 and 100. Okay, so this is the contribution made by factor number 3. Now I will find out the resultant. Phi r is nothing but factor number 1, that is I am seeing as a phi 1, phi 2 and phi 3. Phi 1 plus phi 2 plus phi 3. શું કરવાનું? બધાનું સમેશન 0 minus 90 minus 57. બધાનું સમેશન કરીને આન્સર અહીંયા મને કહો. બધા કરી નાખો પહેલા. ચલો થઈ ગયું. ફર્સ્ટ
Minus
માઇનસ,
minus 90.50.
સેકન્ડ
Minus
Minus
91.4.
91.14
91.14.
90 minus 92.87
નેક્સ્ટ
Minus
101
1.101.
point
Minus 135.
minus 135
Minus
minus
168.69.
168.69
174.28.
Done. You have to just find out the result. ઓકે, આટલી વસ્તુ થઈ જાય પછી અને પછી બોડે પ્લોટ ડ્રો કરવાનો. હાઉ ટુ ડ્રો અ બોડે પ્લોટ? એક મિનિટ. Is the screen visible?
Yes, sir.
Are you able to see the graph paper? તમે લઈ લીધો સેમિલોગ ગ્રાફ પેપર કે નથી લીધો? મેં કાલે કીધું તું નથી લીધો. લઈ લેજો, લોકડાઉન થાય એની પહેલા, નહીં તો નહીં આવડે. Okay, so this is the semilog graph paper. So over here you can clearly see, okay, અહીંયા જે scale છે ને, if I am zooming it properly, this scale is different. જો the difference between this distance between this two line is different. It is gradually decreasing. Okay, so a one part છે એમાં further how many parts are there? 10 parts. In this first part there are further 10 parts whose distance is decreasing. Okay, again this part and this part is having a relatively less distance compared to this the first one, this. Okay, and again each and every part is having a 10 sub part in it. દરેક ના પાછી અંદર પાછા બીજા sub part કેટલા છે? 10 છે. Okay, so this is nothing but one decade. This part is nothing but your one decade. આટલો જે પાર્ટ છે એ શું છે? one decade. Okay, in this one decade you will be having 10 parts. એક decade ની અંદર કેટલા પાર્ટ છે? અહીંયાથી સ્ટાર્ટ કરું તો 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. Okay, so if I am starting from point 1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5, 0.6, 0.7, 0.8, 0.9 and 1. Okay, so it is going to be multiplied by 10. Are you getting me? Azu zoom karu.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay, and if you see y-axis માં એવું કંઈ નથી. there is a uniformity like your ordinary graph. અહીંયાથી અહીંયા છે એનો ડિસ્ટન્સ અને અહીંયાથી અહીંયાનું ડિસ્ટન્સ they are same. Okay, so we are plotting the magnitude plot and phase angle plot on the same graph. એટલે y axis ઉપર હું શું ડ્રો કરીશ? magnitude plot, and x axis will be omega. Okay, done. Any query? કેવી રીતે પકડવાનો ગ્રાફ? જુઓ આ ગ્રાફ હશે ને એની ઉપર અહીંયા લખેલું હશે. જુઓ અહીંયા 1 હોય ને એને લેફ્ટ હેન્ડ મોસ્ટ સાઈડ રાખવાનું. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 1 એને અહીંયા રાખવાનું. Then what you have to do? You have to draw some lines. Reference line. Why this reference line is required? Because we are having some slope, minus 20 dB per decade, 40 dB per decade, 60 dB per decade and all this. Okay, so અહીંયા જે scale છે I am taking y unit is equal to 20 dB. So I will be putting 0 dB, 20 dB, 40 dB and 60 dB. Okay, then I will put the reference line. A 0 dB ની એક લાઈન છે એના પછી હું reference line લઈશ. 20 dB 40 dB ની લાઈન અહીંયાથી આ પોઈન્ટ ઉપર લઈ જઈશ. So what is the slope of this line? આ લાઈન નો સ્લોપ શું થશે? અહીંયા 20 હતું અને અહીંયા 0 થઈ ગયું. What does that mean? What will be the slope?
minus 20.
minus 20
minus
degrees.
20. So it will be minus 20. What will be the line of this slope? Minus 40 dB per decade. What will be the line of this slope? It will be minus 60 dB per decade. Why I am drawing this line? Because it will be helping in my further calculation. Second lecture કોનો છે?
Pratik Panchal sir.
Okay, just I will take few more minutes to complete this. Okay, but just go through it. Okay, I will be drawing this reference line. Okay, પહેલા કોઈ બી ગ્રાફ હોય એમાં તમારે આ રેફરન્સ લાઈન ડ્રો કરી નાખવાની. Okay, generally you can take this scale, 1 unit is equal to 10 dB. Okay, now I will be going for one by one. First factor was K factor. K factor નો આન્સર શું આવ્યો હતો?
0 degree.
નો, K factor નો આન્સર શું આવ્યો હતો? જુઓ અહીંયા લખેલું છે
26.0.
26.26. ઓકે, તમને મલ્ટીપલ સ્ક્રીન દેખાય છે? જો હું આ શેર કરું છું પેલી દેખાય છે? આ રહી એ
Yes, sir.
બંને દેખાય છે ને?
Yes
Okay.
sir.
So you have got the first factor, K factor 26.02 dB. તો અહીંયા 26.02 dB ક્યાં આવશે? How many lines in between this? 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 5. What does that mean? One part, આ એક પાર્ટની વેલ્યુ કેટલી છે? ગ્રાફ ડ્રો કરતા આવડે છે ને? તો આ એક યુનિટની વેલ્યુ 20 dB છે. આની અંદર કેટલા સબ પાર્ટ છે? 5 છે. તો એક પાર્ટની વેલ્યુ કેટલી થઈ?
4 dB.
4.
26 ક્યાં આવશે? અહીંયા આવશે કે અહીંયા આવશે કે in between this? It is in between this. અહીંયા આવશે કોઈ?
Yes sir.
Because it is 20. 20 આ શું થયો? 4 થયો. Our answer is 26. Okay, so I will draw the line 26 dB per decade. Okay, so I will draw the line 26.02. Okay, so it will be like this. અહીંયાથી અહીંયા 26 dB per decade ની લાઈન મેં ડ્રો કરી નાખી. ઓકે, આ તમને દેખાય એટલા માટે મેં એટલું બધું સ્કેલથી નથી ડ્રો કર્યું, but it is 26 dB per decade. Okay, it will be minus, minus and minus. Done. First part is over. 20 log K is equal to 26 dB. Done. Any query?
No, sir.
Okay. Next factor is what? Next factor is what?
Factor 2.
Factor number 2. That is nothing but your pole at origin. Pole at origin. What we have concluded? Slope will be minus 20 dB per decade. So what I will do? I will extend this line of minus 20 dB per decade. અહીંયાથી જે minus 20 dB per decade છે એને હું extend કરીશ. Okay, I will write one pole at origin. It is nothing but minus 20 dB per decade. આ મારી 26 વાળી લાઈન તો છે જ. Next will be your minus 20 dB per decade. Okay, factor number 2, it is nothing but pole at origin. Now we are need to combine it. First factor and second factor ने हमारे combine करवा पड़से. That means we have to shift this point to this. So what I will do? I will shift this point to this point. Now what is the slope of this line? K માટેની લાઈન નો સ્લોપ શું હતો? સ્ટ્રેટ લાઈન હતી. સ્ટ્રેટ લાઈન નો સ્લોપ શું હોય?
0.
0.
Okay, what is the line of slope of this pole at origin line? કેટલો છે? minus 20 dB. Okay, so if I am adding 0 and minus 20, so resultant slope શું થશે? Zero માં minus 20 add કરીએ તો શું થાય આન્સર? Minus 20 dB. So what I will do? I will shift this point, okay, to which point? અહીંયાથી આ point ઉપર લઈ જઈશ. Okay, અહીંયાથી લઈ જઈશ, but this point should be having slope of minus 20 dB per decade. So what I will do? I will take સ્કેલ અહીંયાથી સ્કેલ લઈશ. ઓકે, આઈ ડોન્ટ હેવ ધીસ ઇન. અહીંયાથી એક સ્કેલ લઈશ, આના જે પેરેલલી એક લાઈન ડ્રો કરીશ, અહીંયાથી પેરેલલી લાઈન ડ્રો કરીશ એન્ડ આઈ વિલ ડ્રો ધીસ. ઓકે, ચલો આમાં બહુ ખબર તમને નહીં પડે, હું એક ડ્રો કરી અને તમને બતાવીશ. ઓકે, બટ થિયરી પાર્ટ ઇઝ ઓકે. ઇઝ થિયરી પાર્ટ ઓકે? કેવી રીતે ફાઇન્ડ આઉટ કરવાનું મેગ્નીટ્યુડ પ્લોટ એન્ડ ફેઝ એંગલ પ્લોટ, આ જે છે એ ફાઇન્ડ આઉટ કરવાના, ડ્રો કરવાનું પછી શીખવાડીશ. આ ઓકે છે?
Yes, sir.
ઓકે, એની ક્વેરી ઇન ધીસ?
No, sir.
No, sir.
So what you have to do now, just બીજો એક રેડી રાખજો. This example, gs into hs is equal to 80 upon s into s plus 2 s plus 20. ઓકે, તમારે હવે કેટલા ફેક્ટર આયા કે પોલ એટ ઓરિજિન, સિમ્પલ પોલ નંબર 1 અને સિમ્પલ પોલ નંબર 2. આ હું અપલોડ કરી દઈશ, એના જેવી કેલ્ક્યુલેશન બનાવીને રાખજો. ઓકે, ફ્રીક્વન્સી રિસ્પોન્સ એનાલિસિસની ફર્સ્ટ એન્ડ સેકન્ડ પીડીએફ અપલોડ થઈ ગઈ છે. હેવ યુ સીન ઇટ? ટીમ્સમાં મેં કરી છે.
Yes, sir.
ઓકે, એ જોઈ લેજો, કારણ કે આમાં હોમવર્ક અત્યારે હું નથી આપતો એટલે મિસ ના. ઇઝ ધેર એની ક્વેરી? ઇફ યુ આર હેવિંગ ક્વેરી, સ્ટે હિયર, રેસ્ટ યુ કેન લીવ.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.